In the last 3 years, we have completed the construction of 414 roads.
Okay, guys, good governance is not a rocket science. When someone who is appointed in a political office wants to work, that person would work. It's not magic. Alex Otti has just revealed that he has completed a total number of 414 roads in barely 4 years he took office. Have you heard that before? 414 roads, that is what he has built in the past 3.5 years. That is what he has completed. Apart from it, other amazing structures that has been going on in Abia State. Good governance is not magic. Don't allow all these people deceive you. When an elected official wants to work, he will work. And if he doesn't know what to do, if like give him from now to the next 20 years, he will not achieve anything because that particular person is just clueless. This thing Alex Otti has just done has just showed everybody that corruption, if we want to elect a good leader that will work for us, is in our hands. And when we do it, that thing is going to favor all of us. And when you say that he has completed 414 routes, no be cho, no be audio routes, everybody can see it. The people of Abia State can attest to it. Evidence there because pictures plenty. It choke from all part of like Abia State. Abia State has been totally transformed by Governor Alex Otti. Listen to what he had to say.
On road infrastructure, in the last 3 years, we have completed the construction of 414 roads and measuring about 864.12 kilometers. Those have been completed, and a lot of them are going to be commissioned from next week. There are another 82 roads under construction, and there are different stages of completion. Those 82 roads, most of them on contract, measure about 212 kilometers. And we are consistent in terms of delivering street lights with the roads and of course drainage. And we also put in place maintenance plans for the state, for the roads under our direct labor agency and our zero pothole policy. Of course, we don't need to overemphasize the importance of roads. In a place like this, reduce transport costs, improve business efficiency, accelerate our trade and commerce. Of course, most importantly, creating jobs and boosting the engineering capacity of our compatriots who find themselves